Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to do live wallpaper on PC. Here are the easy steps to set a live animated wallpaper on your PC. First, turn on your Windows PC and sign in. Open a web browser such as Chrome, Edge, or any browser you prefer to. Go to the Microsoft Store or the app's official website. Search for Live Wallpaper or Wallpaper Engine. Like Live Wallpaper is free, Wallpaper Engine is paid. Download and install the application. Launch the Live Wallpaper app after installation. Allow the required permissions if prompted so the app can run. Choose a live wallpaper from the built and animated options. Preview the wallpaper by clicking the three dots, then choose Preview to see how it looks on your screen. Apply the live wallpaper by clicking the three dots, then choosing Set as Wallpaper or Apply. Adjust performance settings if needed by clicking the three dots again, then choose Customize, setting the quality to low or medium, and clicking OK, especially if your PC is slow or your laptop battery drains quickly. Optionally, add your own live wallpaper by importing videos, GIFs, or web wallpapers. Close or minimize the app. The live wallpaper will continue running and the background. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.